Hi, today we are going to solve adding and subtracting decimals. We are going to use this topic to solve these two word problems, and at the end we are going to solve these two exercises about adding and subtracting decimals. Remember, before to start with this topic, it's necessary to identify that the first one are the tens, this one are the ones, and after the decimal point we have another numbers, or we have the decimals or the decimals places. In this case, this is tenth. We can have hundredth, we can have thousands, 10,000s, 10,000, and something like that. Okay, in the first one we have Daniel has a modern quarter with a mass of 5.6 grams and an older silver quarter with a mass of 6.24 grams. What is the combined mass of the quarters? This is our question. So first, in our data, we are going to write the information that we need for this problem. We have the first quarter, it's 5.6 gram. This is the mass of 5.6 grams. So we can write 5.6 grams. And the other quarter, that is a silver quarter, we have 6.24. So we have 6.24 grams for silver quarter. Okay, now in the plan the question is, what is the combined mass of the quarters? Combined means addition, or when you put together something. So in this one we are going to use the addition of decimals. So we are going to write 5.6, and this one we are going to write in vertical positions, plus 6.24. Remember, in decimals the point need to be lined up, or it's a, in this case for example, line up means that this one need to be arranged, or it's a in the same position. Now if you add, remember the first one, if we had this decimals place without number, you can write a 0, and then you're gonna have 5.60 plus 6.24. And we are going to start to add this one. So in this case, I'm going to use this one. So we are going to add 0 plus 4, give us 4. Okay, 6 plus 2, give us 8. And then 5 plus 6, it's equals to 11. And it's going to be 11.84. Remember, the decimal point need to be lined up, or it's saying aligned with the other two decimals point. So at the end, in the answer, we can say that the combined mass for the two quarters is 11.84 grams. The combined mass of the quarter, it's 11.84 grams, and this is going to be our answer. Remember, the answer of the problem need to be in a word phrase. So this is your answer for this situation. Now in the second one we have, to visit his grandmother, Luis takes a train 6.37 kilometers and in a car 5.4 kilometers. How many kilometers is Luis' journey in total? So first we are going to write our data, that is 6.37 kilometers in train and 5.4 kilometers in car. Okay, this is your information. Now in the plan, how many means that you're going to join them. So it's going to be addition. So we are going to write here 6.37 plus 5.4. Okay, so remember this is addition. So we are going to write like that here. Remember, the point need to be in the lineup. And if you want, you can complete this one with 0. Remember, it's important to have the completed number. So here we're gonna add this, and it's going to be 7 plus 0 give us 7. 3 plus 4 give us 7. and 6 plus 5 give us 11. And then we are going to down the point, so it's going to be 11.77. So your answer would be Luis takes, I'm gonna write here, Luis, remember you have to answer the question. Luis' journey is in total, so Luis' journey is 11.77 kilometers. Okay, so this is going to be your answer. Now, in the last two exercises, we have to add these two numbers. So first, we are going to write in vertical position, so it will be 2.34 plus 1.2 plus 1.2. Remember, this one needs to be in the lineup, so it's going to be like this. Then you move here, and we are going to complete this one with 0, so it's going to be like this. So now you add 4 plus 0 give us 4, so it will be 4. 3 plus 2 give us 5, and 2 plus 1 give us 3, and the decimal point is going to be between 3 and 5, and this is going to be your answer for this addition. Now, in the second one, we have a subtraction. So, but we are going to use the same idea. So, it's going to be 3.234 minus 1.33. So, this one we are going to write minus here. And remember, need to be line up. So, this one we are going to complete with 0. So, it will be, if you subtract them, now we're going to draw a line here. 4 minus 0, remember it's subtraction, so it's gonna be 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 3 we cannot, so we are going to take 1 in this one, so it's going to be 12 minus 3 give us 9, and this one need to be 2. 2 minus 1 give us 1, and it's going to be 1 point. Remember, the point need to be in the lineup. And finally, your answer is going to be 1.904